Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a second quarter flip through. I'm pretty sure that I did a flip through for the first quarter. Now we're going to do a flip through for the second quarter of 2022, which is insane. And I'm really proud of myself because this is like the first time that I've done a spread every single week in my planner for like half the year. Like I'm so excited because my goal is to fill up this planner, like have a full planner, like years worth of spreads. So anyway, but let's get into it. So obviously the first quarter is January, February, March. So second quarter will be April, May, and June. And let's get into it. So the first week of April, this one may have also been in the first quarter flip through because it did have part of March, but this is our Hello Spring kit. And currently all of our old formatted kits like this one are in the shop for 50% off. I'll have the link down below. So we are trying to clean things out because exciting stuff happening in the shop. But that is the kit that I used this week. It was a pretty busy week and it was just a really good week. But yeah, that's what I used. Then the next week I used our Easter kit from my shop. Lots of fun things happening this week as well. But it was not the week of Easter, but I still wanted to use this. I thought it was still just a fun spring kit and I love the colors. The next week was Easter and this was our hand-drawn Easter kit that my sister did for us. So for me, I don't know why I say us, like us as in the shop, but it's just me. So anyway, again, it was just busy. The theme of 2022 has just been busy. So this next week was a kit from Nicole Hutch Designs, and I don't remember the name of this kit, but I love the colors. I thought this was perfect for spring. I love her stickers, so definitely go check her out. If you haven't already, I'm sure you guys already know her shop and love her shop because it's just amazing. But anyway, that's what I used for this week. This was also the week that James had a family emergency and he was gone for, I think he left here. And then he did end up coming home on Friday, but it was like, I thought he was just gonna be gone like the whole weekend. But anyway, now we're moving into May, which had a lot of fun spreads and just a lot of stuff going on. So this was the last week of April, first week of May, and I used our balloon kit. I love this kit because it just has such pretty colors and I love it. I love the way that the spread turned out. So many fun, exciting things happening. But yeah, that was I guess technically it was the last week of April because May started on Sunday, but still, first little bit of May. This was the week of Mother's Day, so I used our Mother's Day kit from my shop. I'm trying to think. Again, super busy. A lot of stuff going on. This was probably it wasn't my favorite spread from the second quarter, but like one of them. Again, this is a kit from Nicole Hutch Designs, and this one was just so beautiful, and I knew when I picked it up that I wanted to use it in the month of May because May is actually my birthday month, so I wanted to have like all the fun spreads for the month of May. And so yeah, this was the week of the TPC sale. It was also our 7-year anniversary, the shop's 7-year anniversary. We didn't do like a big sale for that because I was already part of the TPC sale. So I just didn't do that this year, but hopefully next year for our 8-year anniversary, we'll do something really big. But anyway, I love this kit. I think it is so beautiful. She did such a good job with this. But yeah, so that was that. Okay, then this kit is one of the newer formatted kits from my shop, and I don't remember the name of it. That's terrible. I'll put it like right here, but I used this kit for this week just because it was like a nice beach kit and it kind of, I was just feeling it, you know? So we just did a lot of stuff. I think this was like really our only free weekend in the month of May, and it wasn't really a free weekend. It was still really busy. But this next spread is probably my favorite from the second quarter, maybe even for the whole year, because this is my birthday spread. So my birthday is on May 29th. So we ended up going to my favorite place in the whole world, Disney World. So it was just a quick like little Disney trip. We left on Thursday, but we didn't get to Florida until Friday. We kind of like had a down day of like playing mini golf and going to Disney Springs. Then on Saturday, we went to Epcot. We did the new Guardians ride because it had just opened the day before. And then on my birthday, we went to Magic Kingdom. You know, because Magic Kingdom's not necessarily my favorite park, but I just feel like Magic Kingdom is Disney World, you know? So it's like, you have to do it on your birthday. And I don't think I had ever been in Magic Kingdom on my birthday. So I don't even know if I've ever been to Disney for my birthday. Like, I've been before my birthday and after my birthday, but I don't know that I've ever been for my actual birthday. It was so magical. I had such a good time. I want to go back. But yeah, that was probably my favorite spread of the year. On to June. Let's get into it. So this is our staycation kit. And I don't remember, I think I was just feeling it. I already had this printed and cut, and I was just like, yeah, let's do it, because I was still kind of in vacation mode. We stayed at Disney on this day. We went to Disney Springs. We did like a couple things, and then we ended up driving home the next day. So it was still kind of like vacation mode. So I was like, well, staycation would be fun because technically half the week I'm home. And even though I was working, it still felt like a staycation, you know? So that's what happened this week. And then we also watched the first season, or not the first season, the first part of season 4 of Stranger Things on this day. It actually came out here, but we were busy. So we waited until the following week to watch it. And so we started it here and then finished it here. This kit is Cake from our shop, and I just love the colors. I just think it's really pretty. So I wanted to use this, and we did a lot of fun stuff this week as well. This was actually my last weekend home, because the following week I used our vacation kit, because I actually flew to Nashville to stay with my family for like a week, because my sister was going out of town for a vacation and she needed somebody to watch her dog. So I flew in so I could help my family with her dog and just other stuff. So I just hung out with my family this week. I didn't really put a lot in my planner, but this is the vacay getaway from my shop. This week is so fun because I love the bright colors, you guys. I love it. So this is our pool kit from my shop. This is in the old format, so this is one of them that's like 50% off right now. Definitely check it out. I love it. I love the colors. I love the vibes. Perfect for summer. So I flew back home here, and then I was home, but I was prepping for the Ultimate Planner sale, so I was definitely pretty busy. And then we had a lot going on over the weekend, so yeah. Finally, we move into the last week of June / beginning of July, and I am using the 4th of July kit. 4th of July kit from our shop. This is the hand-drawn kit that my sister did, and I'm filming this during this week. I think it's the 29th when I'm filming this. So I have not finished the spread because there's stuff I don't know what's going to happen in the back half of the week, but it will be finished eventually, and this is what it kind of looks like right now. So yeah, there you go. Those are all the spreads for the first quarter, or second quarter. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed seeing the second quarter flip through. I am definitely going to try to keep doing these as the year goes on. I'm so excited that I'm actually filling out all of my spreads. And, you know, a lot of times when life gets busy, my planner is like the first thing to go. I don't sit down and decorate it because I'm just writing to-do lists and whatever. But I'm very proud of myself for making it a point to decorate and to go back and fill it out even when I've gone on vacations or I've just been busy. I'm so proud of myself that I've like stuck to this. So hopefully we can continue that theme through the rest of 2022. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to click subscribe. There's lots of exciting announcements coming with our shop, so you definitely don't want to miss that. But that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.